Hello, Amir here. I have developed this automated check printing system using Google Sheets. This is the settings for the Google Drive ID where we will be saving the PDFs, email addresses where we will be sending the notifications, and the template of the Google Doc, which will be used as a check stop. Right? For at the top we have check stops, at the bottom we have the check. So this is the printer log sheet. This is the check data. We will select the rows for which we want to print the check, and then we will click System Management and Generate Checks, and it will generate the checks, and it will mark the status as printed. It will write the PDF URL over here, and it will send automated email to our email addresses. I have mentioned my own email addresses, so we will have our emails. The PDFs are being generated. All the 4 PDFs have been generated, and we can see that they are available now in the Google Sheets. We can just print it using our printer. We have our check stop ready. Similarly, we have received the email also with the links of the PDF, and we also have written this in the printer log.